Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. This is the intro of our particular course. So now let's see what we are going to learn in this particular course. First one is Introduction to CapCut, CapCut Web Interface, CapCut App Interface, Basic Tools in CapCut, Tempo Variation in CapCut, Change Video Background in CapCut, Transition and video effects, add text and auto caption editing, Facebook feed fun, making shorts and engaging video, add text and music, enhance Facebook video with CapCut, make Facebook videos pop using transition and filters in CapCut, make Facebook video with CapCut, catching reels, create 10D reel with CapCut, stand out on feed, edit captivating video for Instagram, story magic, make engaging Instagram stories with CapCut templates, TikTok video with CapCut, add AI voice for TikTok video, YouTube intro with CapCut, YouTube outro with CapCut, YouTube video with CapCut. So I hope I'll be able to make you understand all the topics and you will be able to learn all this one. So we'll meet you in the next class and we'll start our course from that day. So till then, take care and goodbye.